So you first spoke about the navigation. So can you tell about it?
So navigation essentially is divided into three parts: radio navigation, instrument navigation, and general navigation. As the name suggests, navigation is all about getting from point A to point B. So when you do instrument navigation, it's about the instruments that you have inside your aircraft. So for example, you have an airspeed indicator, you have something called an altimeter, you have something called a vertical speed indicator. How these instruments operate and how we interpret them. Next, moving on to radio navigation. Radio navigation is all about how you use navigation aids to your advantage. For example, how does an aircraft land when it's foggy? We use something called the ILS, which is the Instrument Landing System. As pilots, it's essential that we know how these work and how we interpret these instruments within our aircraft. And finally, moving on to general navigation. Back in the olden days, we used to use maps, charts. We still use them, but they're more advanced. You got your GPS, you got other equipment that sort of assists you with navigation. But it is quite fundamental that we learn about the Earth, we learn about latitudes, longitudes, how time zones work. So that is what general navigation covers.